friends, welcome back to my channel Addicted Soul. And how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and have been busy with your daily routine and course after experiencing a difficult year of pandemics. The risk is still there, so be safe and take all precautions. Here I am back with another review. Today I'll be talking about this new fountain pen which I have been using for the past few years. It's an Indian Swadeshi pen manufactured by Unique Pens Indore, India, and this is Click Demonstrator 114 HTR. So without any further delay, first of all, let me share the features of this pen with you. It's a standard 6-inch transparent plastic pen. It's a demonstrator, cigar shaped, gold plated clip and ring. The company logo is embossed in the barrel here. See, as you can see, it has a comfortable grip section, a ebonite feeder. Default nib that comes with this pen is iridium tipped medium point, available in appealing colors, and it has a eyedropper filling mechanism. It's a budget friendly pen, excellent writer. The ink gushes through the feed like anything, and it's a wet writer but slightly on the dry side. Flawless and classic pen for students, and the nib can be changed according to one's choice, as I have done. As you can see, I am not using the original nib. I have replaced the nib with the choice of my nib. So I am exploiting this delightful beauty for the past 2 years now. I have used it extensively with the original fitted nib as well as different custom nibs. Presently I am using a left oblique. As you can see, this is the left oblique custom ground nib with this pen for writing Urdu script. It is an eyedropper pen, so I have never faced any issues with ink shortage. It can write for days without refilling. The ink flow is tremendously smooth, no burping or leaking issues until and unless the barrel is empty or a very little amount of ink is left in the barrel. Easy to grip and set pleasantly in my big hands, as you can see. So the only issue that I have faced with this pen is drying of the nib if I use this pen after a break of 4 or 5 days. And to activate that, I just dip the nib in water for a couple of seconds and the magic begins again. Another small issue that I have faced is this barrel, plastic barrel. It becomes yellowish after a certain period of time, and the color of the barrel changes, and nothing else I have faced so far, as I can call it a con for this pen. Overall, it is a great pen. It's a low cost, budget friendly pen, good for students and fervent writers like me who like to use a single pen for days after filling it once, especially the eyedropper ones. This pen won't disappoint you. I personally like eyedropper pens because they are really nice writers, plus you can use them for extensive number of days without refilling them. Let me show you the writing samples of this pen, and as I have told you, I'll be showing you the Urdu script as I have fitted it with the oblique nib for Urdu writing. So let's start with the first writing impression. This is Urdu nib, and or you can call it a catnip. This is also called as the catnip. And let me write some couplets for you. कौन पूछता है पिंजरे में बंद परिंदों को गालिब? इट्स अ शेर, अ कपलेट फ्रॉम गालिब. याद वही आते हैं जो उड़ जाते हैं. So as you can see, the flow of the ink is impeccable. And let me write another one for you. कैसे करूं? भरोसा गैरों के प्यार पे. कैसे करूं भरोसा गैरों के प्यार पे. यहाँ अपने ही लेते हैं मज़ा. यहाँ अपने ही लेते हैं मज़ा अपनों की हार पे. एंड few more if you like to see the more writing samples के कितना खौफ होता है शाम के अंधेरे में. कितना खौफ होता है शाम के अंधेरे में। पूछ उन परिंदों से पूछ उन परिंदों से जिनके घर नहीं होते। So this is another couplet, and the last one that I'll share with you is कितने शेरी हैं तेरे लब, कितने शेरी हैं तेरे लब, ये रकीब गालियाँ खा के बेमज़ा ना हुआ। So this is one couplet. This is one. This is one, and this is one. So these are the four couplets, and this is the Urdu script that I have written for you, as you can see. And I really love this pen. This is Click Demonstrator 114 HDR. So guys, that's all for now. As you can see, the writing impressions of this pen and the nib, and the ink flow is good. The pen is a budget friendly pen, it won't pickpocket you. And if you really like this review, please do like, subscribe to my channel, and comment for your queries and suggestions, and I'll try my level best to answer all your queries. And thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with something new. Till then, stay safe, enjoy your life. Har Har Mahadev, and Jai Hind.